Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make sangria, and one of the things you're gonna need is this measuring cup, because if you're gonna measure things you have to do it correctly, and you're also gonna need like a pitcher or anything that you're gonna fill up your sangria. So I'm gonna use this because it's big enough to for enough people like to enjoy my delicious sangria. So the things you're gonna need are apples. You're also gonna need strawberries, doesn't matter which brand it is. Also gonna need an orange. And also you're gonna need some lemons. Alright, so one of the juices you're gonna need is pomegranate. Yeah, it could be any brand you want. And the main juice we're gonna use is the cranberry and grape juice. It could be any brand, as I said. So now we're gonna get started because the cranberry and grape juice is the main source of this, because sangria is like mostly grape with it. So you're gonna pour all of it into this. Oh yeah, isn't that really satisfying? Just look at that pour. This was actually satisfying. Yeah. So you're gonna put all in there, and make sure to close it. Okay, so don't make sure to not spill anything, because right here I just spilled. So give me a moment. God damn it! Just hold up, wait. Anyways, you're gonna put some 2 cups of God damn it. I'm sorry folks, I can't really say that. Pomegranate juice, and you're gonna put it in just 2 cups. Yeah, man, I can't speak. 2 cups of it, just like that. Then the next thing you're gonna put is some lemons. Yeah, limes. No, lemons is a big one. Limes. You're gonna cut up some limes, and you might want to use a tool, or you could use your hand. So you're gonna squeeze. I use 1.5. So that's how much I put it in. Just squeeze it with your hands or with this like little handy dandy tool that I have right here. And then next we're gonna cut up some oranges. I only cut up 1 orange. So you're gonna squeeze that in. You could use both hands, but here I just use 1 because like the orange wasn't that hard anyway. So we're just gonna put all the juice on it inside of the pitcher. Then we're gonna squeeze the other one, just the same thing as that. Just squeeze everything. Oh man, that is satisfying. Then next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up this apple right here. Oh yeah. But make sure before you cut these fruits, make sure to wash them, okay? And make sure to wash your hands with soap and water, just like with warm water, just because you don't want to, like anything dirty, like yeah. So always when you're making food, just wash your hands. Always wash your hands. And with the strawberries too, make sure to wash anything. Alright then, so we're gonna cut up this strawberry. Alright, just like that, we're gonna cut them up, and also we're gonna cut up these apples. You could like chop them up like that, like big chunks like that, or you could go turn it to the side and like chop it up like into big slices like these. This will also great. It depends all on you, to be honest. Alright then, so now we cut up all of the fruits in here. So look at that, we got the orange, we got the lime, not lemon, and we got the strawberries all cut up, and the apples all cut up. And the one thing I forgot, that one of the main fruits ingredients is the grapes. Make sure you cut up some grape in there, because that is the main source of sangria. Alright then, those are nice and cut up, just to give flavor with all these fruits. Alright, so the first thing first, we're gonna take these slices of grapes and we're gonna put it in, just like this. Yep. Okay, now here it is with all the fruits. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh yeah. Then the next thing you're gonna do, you're just gonna stir all of them around, just mix with the with the flavors and everywhere. And the one ingredient I forgot to tell you guys. Oh, here's my dogs. They want to say hello. You could get some yerba buena. You could buy this at the store, or if you know anybody that grows them. For me, I grow it in my gardens with these beautiful plants right here. They're like minty plants. It's pretty good. So right here, I'm gonna grab a big chunk of it. Again, you could buy this at any store, any grocery store. So I gotta make sure my dog approves it. Nothing poisonous. You're my other dog. Alright, I think they approve it. Next thing, you're gonna like just get like little pieces just like that. You could put a lot if you want, but I prefer a little bit because I don't want it too minty. But it is fresh and good. Make sure to wash it though. Alright then, and before you pour your sangria, make sure to put some fruits, just you know, just for extra flavor to it. It's always a good idea. Then we're gonna pour some. Oh man. Oh man, just look at that masterpiece. And if you guys would like, you could also put some mineral water or carbonated water, same thing. It could be any brand that you guys would prefer. Or if you prefer like some alcohol on your sangria, you could also put some red wine on it, any wine that you prefer. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Share this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to see my last video, it will be all in the link in the description below. The free gift card giveaway video also in the link in the description. And if you guys are wondering, I also have an Instagram account if you guys want to follow that. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace out guys, and happy holidays.